Hello, credit warriors. This is TouchSuite Merchant and Payment Processing and POS Systems. Are you ready to discover accepting credit cards for credit repair, boosting business growth? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of credit repair and payment processing. Be prepared to know the power of embracing credit cards and how it can supercharge your business expansion. But before we embark on this journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Staying ahead of the curve is the name of the game when it comes to credit repair businesses. Embracing credit card processing is your ace in the hole for sustained growth. The evolution of credit card processing. Credit cards are prevalent in this digital age. Traditional cash exchanges are taking a backseat to seamless electronic transactions that not only enhance the customer experience but also arm businesses with insights to fine-tune their offerings. Empowering high-risk credit repair businesses. Credit repair businesses often face unique payment processing challenges. Specialized high-risk merchant accounts and credit card processing services are solutions tailor-made for these industries, offering risk mitigation and transactional smooth sailing. Navigating the e-commerce landscape. E-commerce credit card processing has become the foundation of online transactions. It's a secure, convenient way for customers to pay, and for credit repair businesses, it opens doors to a global customer base. Seizing the opportunity. Accepting credit cards for credit repair. By offering credit card payments for your services, you position your business at the pinnacle of convenience, skyrocketing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Tailored payment processing for credit repair businesses. Integrating a credit repair payment gateway ensures secure transmission of sensitive financial data, all while creating a seamless and trustworthy payment experience for your clients. Overcoming challenges. CBD high-risk credit card processing. CBD high-risk credit card processing showcases how specialized payment solutions tackle industry-specific roadblocks. By partnering with experienced payment processors, credit repair businesses can learn from the CBD sector's experiences and master their challenges. The role of reliable merchant processing services. TouchSuite is a rock-solid partner for credit repair businesses. From setting up high-risk merchant accounts to providing comprehensive credit card payment services, TouchSuite empowers your growth journey. Embracing credit cards for credit repair goes beyond payments. It's a statement of your commitment to customer convenience. Be it navigating high-risk challenges or seizing e-commerce opportunities, specialized credit card processing is your growth catalyst. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey. If you found this video insightful, remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our transformative content. For cutting-edge payment solutions that fuel business success, head over to TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global giants, TouchSuite is your ultimate payments provider.